Welcome back, ELOC Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome to my home garden and lifestyle channel. If you like what you see, hit that like button. I really do love burying kitchen scraps. It's so easy. Anybody can do it. It's December. I'm already thinking about the upcoming spring season. Yummy mustard greens. So I'm going to get started with this bed here, burying kitchen scraps. It's one of the easiest ways to build up your garden soil. Prepare, prepare, prepare. It pays off in the long run. Worms, all the microorganisms, they love that stuff. All you need is a good shovel and some kitchen scraps. Hey there. Hey everybody. Hey Eden. Hey Coda. Hi. Hey girl. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. That's a good girl, Eden. So by burying the kitchen scraps, we're going to break up this clay that's here. It's pretty thick. Not really the best soil to be starting seeds in or growing new young plants. It's really hard to grow and move through this stuff here. We want it more like this consistency here. So by burying your kitchen scraps, you'll go from this to this. And we're going to make some really great soil for our spring plants. Even though we're just starting to get really cold here in Maryland, spring is still just around the corner, just a few months away. See, the lower I go, I'm running into that clay soil. So when you start to think about the three major nutrients that plants need to grow healthy and strong, the first one is nitrogen. So we're going to bury some nitrogen. I've got some eggshells in here. Now you can actually break these down even further. You can blend them, breaking them down into a powdered form, which is fine. You'll also find calcium in those eggshells as well. I'm going to be burying my scraps so they have the whole winter to break down. Banana peels, those you've got your potassium, your phosphorus. So we've got all three of the major nutrients that plants need to grow healthy and strong. We've got our nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. Even the paper towels, save your paper towels. Also, remove those stickers. Now out of kitchen scraps. I'll continue to collect kitchen scraps over the next few weeks. Keep working on burying these scraps into this bed here. So yeah, that'll be a winter gardening chore of mine. All right, so here's the last hole that I'm going to bury. Don't eat that plastic. Okay, so we were able to get some things done today. I'm going to come out on another day and finish up this project. I've got to protect the soil. Pine needles conserve soil moisture. Pine needles suppress weeds. They keep the soil temperature warmer in the winter. I recently harvested my collard greens. Even with the frost and the freeze overnight, there's no damage. A little hard work and preparation definitely pays off. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.